To better illustrate this idea, you can actually conduct a rather simple demonstration at home. All you need is 2 plastic or paper cups, some black tape or duct tape, parchment paper, and something sharp and pointy. First, you just need to wrap the sides and bottoms of the cups with the tape to make sure that no light can bleed through the material. Next, take a small square of your parchment paper, just big enough to cover the top of the cup, and wrap it around the top like a lid. Secure the parchment with a long strip of tape, and then tape the other cup down over the parchment, securing it with a piece of tape as well. Make sure all holes are sealed with tape around the joint of the 2 cups so that no light can get in. Now, take a cutting implement and cut a decent sized hole in one end, about ½ an inch wide. This will be the eye hole. Using a push pin or something sharp and round, punch a tiny pinhole in the other end, as close to the center as possible. What you have just made is a makeshift camera. As light passes through the pinhole, it projects an image onto the piece of parchment between the cups. This parchment mimics the film or sensor inside your camera. Rather than saving the image, you simply use the other cup as a viewfinder and see the image through the paper. As a fun optics side lesson, you might notice that the image is upside down. Take some time to think about why that might be, and if you think you have the answer, throw it in the comments down below. Anyway, in addition to being a camera, you can also think of this demo as a small version of an evolving universe. The pinhole is the Big Bang, where everything is super dense and hot. Then, the universe expands, and the light bounces around until the point when atoms form, and it can flow freely without bouncing off anything. This is when it hits the paper and creates an image. From that point on, the image will remain, but it will simply expand to fill the space, slowly losing detail and brightness.